Unbounce versus lead pages. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about two of the best landing page softwares that are in the market right now. Okay, if you are a campaign runner or you are a CRM person, then these two platforms are definitely for you. I'm here to differentiate between these two platforms, give you the proper, regimens for both of them, and then obviously it's for you to decide which platform is better for you. Now, capturing leads and getting them to convert can feel like a Herculean task at times. I know because I've been there. Now, finding the right combination of copy and design elements is a very tricky process that takes a lot of fine tuning. However, just because creating landing pages is complete, that doesn't mean it has to take forever. Using a no-code drag and drop landing page builder is one of the best ways to cut down on the time it takes to create your pages while simultaneously maximizing your results. If you want to choose the best landing page builder for your specific needs, I'm going to show you the pros and cons for each of these options. Okay, so if I were to give a quick verdict for both of their products, okay, since both of these tools pull their weight in everything from templates to advanced integration, it can be tough to pick between both of them. So if you're looking for a very affordable and well-rounded solution, then I definitely bring you to Lead Pages. Okay, so Lead Pages has been going on for a long time. Okay, and the pricing that Lead Pages possesses when compared to contrast with Unbounce, Lead Pages obviously takes the win. Okay, it's simple to use and it gets the job done, and it's quite a bit cheaper. And if we are to go to the pricings, let's go ahead and check them out. So I'm going to open up the pricing for both Unbounce and Lead Pages. Now, when it comes to Unbounce, the monthly plans for Unbounce are $99 for their most basic plan, which is the build plan. Then we have $149 for the experiment plan. Okay. Then we have $249 for the optimized plan and $499 for the agency plan. Now, these are pretty hefty prices. Okay. For a landing page builder, you are paying a lot. Okay. So you are going to want to keep these things in mind before opting for Unbounce. Lead Pages, on the other hand, if we switch over to monthly, it has three plans. The standard plan is $49, the pro plan is $99, and the conversion plan is $697. Now, until or unless you are a whole marketing unit, if you're a whole enterprise, then obviously this plan is definitely the go for you. But if you're not a huge marketer or a huge seller and you're just an entrepreneur, then these two plans will work for you perfectly. Okay, and their pricing, in contrast to this, is much better. Okay, so when it comes to the pricings, obviously Lead Pages is going to take the win for me. But on the other hand, users who like the idea of using AI-driven smart traffic software to optimize their conversions would likely enjoy the package offer on Unbounce. Okay, because Unbounce's whole regimen is that it has AI AI functionalities in it. Okay, so it all comes down to your specific use case. Okay, now let's go into some in-depth assessments of the two tools. So we're talking about landing pages for both of them. So how easy is it to build landing pages for both of these, and how well is the page builder and editor? So landing pages are an essential part of any online business. You could have millions of impressions on your PPC ads driving traffic to your website, but it won't mean a thing if you aren't able to convert the leads generated with a persuasive landing page. Now, the best way to optimize the conversions on your website is to have multiple landing pages that you can split test against one another. So when it comes to Unbounce, Unbounce provides a very good drag and drop builder that makes creating landing pages extremely easy for even those who are limitedly experienced. Okay. Now, you can add your buttons, pictures, and text wherever you want without having to worry about editing the source code of your pages. And creating landing pages can be further simplified by using the numerous templates that Unbounce offers to its customers. So the benefits don't end there though, as you can take things to the next level using Unbounce's very own smart builder. Okay. Now, the smart builder allows you to just add a prompt, and according to that prompt, it's going to create you a template that looks exactly the way you want it to. It's extremely immaculate. The design schemes used in it are amazing, and the templates when it comes to Unbounce are off the charts, okay? Because you can choose from over 100 high converting landing page templates that are properly distilled, and you can see all of these templates for different genres. So we have O Sauce, O Consultancy, O Book, and Horizons, Malter, Coming Soon, Fresh Goods, Get Started, Clicking Through, etc. So there's a template for every type of landing page, okay? And that is why I love Unbound so much, because of the vast majority of variety that it provides you. You know, it truly streamlines all of your marketing work when it comes to landing page building. Now, moving over to lead pages. Now, while there are other many landing page builders out there, most marketers and business owners would agree that lead pages is the industry leader when it comes to quality of editors. Now, it strongly emphasizes the DIY approach to ensure users can set pages up themselves without needing the help of outside consultants. In addition to being user friendly, the editor is also just as easy to use on mobile platforms as it is on PC, with a seamless experience no matter what device. Okay, the built-in lead conversion that it gives you and the style choosing that it's going to provide you when it comes to using the templates is off the charts. Okay, it gives you the right page for every goal that is put in front of you, and you can also get AI engine help. It's not as good as the functionalities at Unbounce, but lead pages, builder is generally pretty easy to use, because as you can see, it has a very simple index on the left hand side, and Unbounce on the other hand does not give you such an easy hosting. Okay, so when it comes to the page builder and editor, I would definitely go with lead pages. Okay, because lead pages is more trustworthy, it gives me more conversions, and it will also, be pretty easy for the limited experienced users. Okay, now moving over when it comes to the proper ease of use. Okay, Unbounce's editor is about as easy as it gets. Okay, especially when you use one of the many templates that are offered on it. Okay, other tools would have you endure a long onboarding flow, but Unbounce's good fact is that it's simple enough that you can just pick your template and start customizing to your heart's content. Now, templates aren't the only thing that makes Unbounce so great to use, though. The fact that it has quick load speeds, a code-free experience, and custom HTML all compiles to make this one of the easiest tools to use when building your pages. Now let's move over to Lead Pages, because Lead Pages has one of the most intuitive drag and drop editors available, but that alone doesn't guarantee ease of use on a macro level. Now, fortunately, it has fast load speeds and code-free editing to back that up. And the editor is also mobile responsive, which means you can edit pages no matter where you are going to be. Okay, so when it comes to ease of use, I'd say both of them are on the same level. Okay, because if I put a person who has no experience in landing pages on these two websites, it would take the same amount of time for them to, actually learn the curve. And that's not a lot of time. At the maximum, it might take them, 3 to 4 days to get a hang of it, and they should be along with it pretty easily. So, yeah, this is the main, pros and cons and ideas of Lead Pages and Unbounce. Now, if you want to, get a final verdict on which platform is going to be best for you, personally, I would go with Unbounce for myself because of its definite ease of use. And I am very picky with templates, so that is the main reason I'm going with Unbounce. I also have, I recommend using a product that is good with high traffic and industry leading uptime, and Unbounce is up with that. And I also like a lot of more pricing options. But obviously, that's my opinion. If you want to use Lead Pages, then you have to make sure that you prefer a CRM integration like Salesforce, HubSpot, or Zoho over additional email marketing options. You like simple, affordable pricing models, obviously, and easy editing is going to be your number one priority. In those cases, you can go with Lead Pages if that is your choice, okay? So do let me know down in the comments below which of these platforms you chose for yourself, and yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. So if you enjoyed watching, make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll be seeing you next time. Goodbye.